Hi there. I'm going to talk about putting furniture in your room today. So a couple things we'll talk about today are tables, chairs, put an S on that, chairs, and a couch. And one of the things we'll talk about a lot is overlapping. And you can see right now my paper is overlapping, my vocabulary paper is overlapping my drawing paper. So let's get started. In order to make the chairs and tables and furniture look like they're on the floor, we need to have the lines of those pieces start on the floor. So this line where the wall and the floor meet, all three sides, we have to go past that line. So if I'm putting a chair here, I need to put, I'll put a line standing up, and a line standing up, then we'll put a line standing up. It's going to be shorter than the first two because those legs are closer to the wall. So I'll put a square here and a rectangle here, and there's a very simple chair. You put little lines here so that you have that there, and then I'll put a rectangle for a table, and then I have larger legs. I'll put it about the same, maybe a little bit farther down on the floor toward the bottom of the page, and we'll do the same thing over here. Try to make it about the same as this one, and then we'll go with a bar across here to show you that it's actually a table. So there's a table and chairs. When I was talking about before, these two lines and these two lines are farther down on the page, closer to the bottom, because they're closer, so that helps it look like it's realistic also. So there's a table and chairs. Pretty big room if the table's that small. As things get closer, they not only go farther down on the page, they also go higher up on the page. So if I were going to draw another chair here, I'm going to really emphasize it so you can understand it a little bit better. I'll put this one closer to the corner, and then I'll put this here like this, and back. And we'll just put little lines down here to show where it is. So these could essentially be the same chairs, but this one is farther away and this one's closer. This one's larger. Okay. If I take my pencil and measure it, this one's pretty short, this one's pretty tall. Okay, so if it got closer yet, I would even probably make something this high, depending on what I drew. So a regular chair. Anything on this wall is just exactly how we see it. So if we're drawing a chair just to sit in and maybe watch TV or something that we might see in a living room, we're just going to make a rectangle here, and then we'll put the arm of the chair up here, make kind of a question mark line here, bring it back down. Ooh, this one's going to be tough because this one's going to be a backwards question mark. And then bring that line down. Got to have a cushion for our chair. We got to have a back to our chair and just make it curved on top. And there's our nice, soft, comfy chair. Right, notice that it goes down below the line, and I'm going to erase just on the outside so it looks just like my cushion is here. And there's my chair. Pretty far away. So if I make a sofa or a couch, I'm going to use a backwards L. And then make it curved on the top. Down here I'm going to go a little higher. This is there. I'm going to start this curve here. Backwards L again. And it's going to be fairly close to that first line. Alright. I'm going to make just kind of a bump here, just to show that there's cushions in the couch. This is going to curve around and come straight down. This is going to curve around. This is going to come straight down, but it's going to be farther down. So then this will, my target, my point where I want it to bring it to is down here, where there's a line where the floor and this wall meet. So I'll go here, and I bring it out here. Then I'm going to join this line, bottom of this line, up to this line. Okay, now I'm going to come in with my eraser and erase the lines of my room because we have overlapping. The room is still there, but now my couch is in front of those lines. So I have to make it look real, I have to make some adjustments and get rid of that line because I wouldn't see the line. The couch is in the way. And then I need to do some cushions here, so I'll just do here. Real short rectangle, make it kind of round. Make this come down here like this. Go across there, go across there, and bring this down here. There we have a couch. Until next time.